Welcome to the Legal Rebels Project. I'm Edward Adams. I'm the editor and publisher of the ABA Journal. It's a beautiful Saturday morning here in Chicago, and I'm in the office again. Just as I suspect many of you are in your offices this weekend, because practicing law today, or reporting about lawyers, is rarely a 5-day-a-week job. There are, however, some benefits to working the weekend. One of them is I find it's one of the few times that I can put aside the daily grind and try and look out over the horizon to see what the future may bring. It was on a Saturday, about 6 months ago, that we at the Journal first started thinking about what has become the Legal Rebels Project. You know, ever since the Wall Street meltdown last fall, the news for lawyers has gone from bad to worse. Thousands of lawyers are unemployed, and tens of thousands more have seen their pay cut. This is the most difficult recession that the profession has gone through in the last 70 years. And there is a growing consensus among the lawyers that I and my colleagues talk to every day that the profession that eventually emerges from this recession won't be the same profession that entered it. It's not simply going to be a return to business as usual and the good old days, like it's been after recessions past. So, how will the practice of law be changed by this recession? And what will the profession look like after it's over? That's really the focus of the Legal Rebels Project. All across this country, there are lawyers who aren't waiting for change to be imposed on them. They're making changes today in their corners of the profession. Lawyers like the managing partner at a major law firm, who after years of talk about the evils of the billable hour, is finally trying to move his firm to a system where they bill based on the matters they handle, not the amount of time those matters take. There are law professors and deans who are trying to remake legal education so that law school graduates are capable of practicing law on day one. There are lawyers at nonprofit organizations who are looking for innovative ways to fund legal services for the poor and the middle class. And there are lawyers all across America who are using the free tools of the internet, like Facebook and Twitter, legal blogs, and the ABA's own social networking site, legallyminded.com, to build brands around themselves and become recognized as experts in their specialties in ways that would have been impossible just 2 years ago. Over the course of the next 5 months, we'll profile 50 of these innovators who we call Legal Rebels. Some of those profiles will appear in the pages of the ABA Journal. All of them will be posted on this website, legalrebels.com. And those profiles will be more than just words on a screen. Each will include multimedia elements like video interviews, audio podcasts, photo slideshows, and live chats, so you can get a 360-degree view of the people we're writing about and the changes they're trying to make. We'll also be launching several groundbreaking virtual events that will enable you to participate in the Rebels Project online. We'll tell you more about those events in the weeks to come. The first of our profiles will be in the September issue of the magazine and be posted online on August 25th. In the meantime, there are 2 things that you can do today to participate in the Rebels Project. First, I encourage you to click on the nomination link at the top of this page and tell us about a lawyer you know who you think we should consider profiling as a part of the project. Second, we're looking for some modern-day Thomas Jeffersons to help draft the Legal Rebels Manifesto. Every movement has some sort of statement of principles. That's what the manifesto is. We've posted a draft of it on this site in the form of a wiki, which enables you to register and edit the document yourself. Over the course of the next month, our community of readers will be drafting the document, defining what it means to be a legal rebel. Then on August 25th, when the first batch of profiles go online, you'll be able to return to the site and sign the manifesto yourself to show that you're dedicated to innovation in your corner of the legal profession. You know, we think of this project not so much as a destination, but as a journey. On this trip, we expect to learn quite a bit, experiment some ourselves, and also have a little bit of fun along the way. We hope that you join us, not just as an observer, but as a participant in remaking the profession. And now, if you'll excuse me, I've got to get back to the daily grind. We'll talk again soon.